This conference will now be recorded.
So give me just 5 minutes. I'm installing the MySQL. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Uh,
But I
Tejas.
don't see this screen.
Yeah. I am sharing my screen. Do you have any problem while installing?
No, it is showed that successfully installed MySQL connector. But I don't see this
Successfully.
screen. MySQL installer screen I don't see.
No. MySQL. Okay. No. This is for me only.
Okay.
I am installing the MySQL. I think already you have that MySQL installed on your system. So in my system, it is not installed. So,
Alok, and in PyCharm, we just go and update the project interpreter, right?
correct. There you can add this MySQL dot connector if you are using PyCharm. Or PyCharm have a, you can see now at the bottom of the particular, you find also terminal. There also you can type like pip install this command.
Okay.
Okay, Tejaswi, you have, okay. Tejaswi, share your screen. Okay, wait.
MySQL connector Python. No?
Yes. Open your Jupyter or PyCharm. No. Don't install this. Open your PyCharm or this one. PyCharm or Jupyter.
Where I have to click.
Yeah, create a project. Create new project. Create.
Where I have to click existing interpreter. No, na. Directly click on
Create.
create.
Create. Close this. Okay. This is your, go to your file setting, file setting. File and setting. No, this one. Close this. Give me your wait one second. Give me access. Give me access. One second.
Okay. Alok, it's a background noise from your side.
Yeah, it is raining now. That's why means.
Okay.
So this is your. You can see that here you need to this also. Okay. This is so every time whatever the library. Okay. Just like you want to do Panda, right? You have error. What is the error? Okay, you can see that this is not your Python here. So let's set the, wait one second. Click on this existing. I am unable to click on this existing environment. Hello, yeah, Tejashwi. Hello, hello, Tejashwi, are you there? I think she offline. So you can see that. So while working with database, so we need to first create a connection. So every time when you are using any database, first you need to install that particular library in your particular virtual environment. Okay, and then you can use we are creating a connection variable connection, and this is the method like mysql dot connector, this library, and from there we have a method connect. So in connect we need to pass host. So if you are installing in your current local system, it is local host. If it is any other server, like, so in host name you can give that particular server IP address, or suppose if you are using any cloud like Amazon, Google, so you need to give that entire your instance IP address, whatever the host name is there. Okay, okay. Tejasvi, can you hear me? Okay, then your database is your whatever your database name. Database is always your schema name. Okay, then username, then password. Okay, okay. Share your screen, Tejasvi.
Alok, do we have any test connections, or how do we create a test database, SQL database?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll do. Let me set up it first. Okay, we'll do. So now this is your setup. So let me share my setup is done. My SQL part. Wait one second.
Sir, can you explain how exactly that setup will work?
Yeah, setup will only, there is no extension. It is just setup means what? You can run your program right here.
Connect
I didn't.
we can connect different types of files altogether.
Yeah, you can put here, no, in practice.
What is difference between PyCharm and Jupyter?
There is nothing different between PyCharm. Both are the ID. You can use whatever you want. Means as per your means what you consider as per your comfort level. If you are comfort in PyCharm, then use PyCharm. If you are comfort in Jupyter, then use Jupyter.
Same syntax over there for programming. There is no difference.
Yes, yes. Whichever ID you can use, there is no difference with any syntax. This is only your like a setup. It's like it's like using one Mac system or one Windows operating system. This is the difference. Both are doing the same thing. Only your product will change.
Look, I'm getting an error on the Python console in PyCharm.
Okay, share your screen.
You can see this.
Yeah, I can see. Okay, so here you keep you need to database name. What is your schema name? First, you are using MySQL, right?
No, I'm trying to install MySQL.connector. I'm
Okay,
not
go to
doing
the.
anything. I've not run
Okay,
this.
go. Okay, go to this terminal.
Actually, just a sec.
Terminal down, you can see that, no? We have Python console, we have terminal
Yeah,
down.
terminal down over
Okay,
here.
okay. Give here pip install that one MySQL.connector. Okay, what is it? PIP is not recorded internet. So type this Python -m
Hyphen M.
Python -m
Python Python
space
space hyphen M.
-m, then pip install space, then
Install.
I think some error. What is this message? Smart command. Okay. Yes. I think it is already there.
Mhm.
Go to your project file setting, that interpreter
File
setting.
setting project interpreter.
Wait, you can see here MySQL. Yeah, MySQL hyphen connector also there. MySQL dot connector is there. There are
No.
lot of libraries. Okay, you can add here.
Yes, I. There's nothing for MySQL dot.
Dot.
You can see MySQL, but not MySQL dot.
Okay. Close this one. Okay, close this. Okay, go to your this one. Import MySQL dot connector. You uncomment this from your code. So click your cursor there above the MySQL dot connector.
Mm-hmm.
The cursor.
Yeah. Enter.
No. Put your cursor this one above this. Any other option? Yeah, you can see that MySQL unused import statement. Yeah, it is installed. Okay, enter. Then type connection equal to this one. Uncomment this connection. Okay. Go to your database. Which database? Go open your MySQL.
I don't have MySQL loaded on this machine.
Okay, then you need to install. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can install it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes hardly.
Where do I download it from?
Okay, go to your Google. Open a tab.
Mm-hmm.
MySQL. Yeah, type MySQL community server. Okay, download this server 8.0 community server 8.0. This one. Go to download page. These are the zip file. We are in. Go to download page. Yeah. Second one.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. No thanks. Just start now.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you can you arrange for a list of softwares which need to be downloaded for this entire class, so that we don't waste everybody's
Okay.
time getting
Sure,
these
sure.
things done.
So next class, please install this. I give you. Okay, you need to install this matplotlib for next class. Okay, so my SQL. Okay. So let me share my screen. It is a very small topic, database part. Okay.
Same procedure we have to do, means while connecting MySQL connector.
Yeah, I will tell you one second. So you can see that like these are my database, like Sakila is one. So you need to here you need to give this your schema name.
Means we can directly access all data from MySQL database.
Yes. Everyone get the same error? Can you check? I think I have some authentication plugin catching. Password is not supported. Everyone can check, like guessing the same.
Hello, what setup type should I take? Developer, server, client, full
Yeah, it is the developer.
developer. And
It shows error while connecting
You
MySQL.
also send a set. Okay. Okay. also give. Aditya, you also get this error?
No, I'm still installing the server.
Okay. Okay, 1 second.
It shows error get exception packet.
Yeah, that is with library also. Like in my other system, it is working fine. But 1 second.
Wait. For you. Child. Okay.
So these are the common problem. Like sometimes it will not.
I don't need to say.
So you can see that. Okay, now it is working fine. So run this command in your MySQL that MySQL prompt. Okay.
Can you type the command?
Yeah. Type this command. Like Tejasvi Venkat Vishnu, you have your MySQL. So you can first run this command. Okay. So here you can password. You can
Is
whatever
it
your
is it work
MySQL password.
is it work
Yes.
with workbench? Huh?
Yeah.
Workbench.
Yes.
I'm using
Workbench will be ready.
MySQL work.
Yeah. So password, you give your password here. Okay. Whatever your MySQL password. So my password is the root. So whatever you give your password while installing the MySQL, give that password only. Okay, so this is the today only this we will do this database part. So from tomorrow we are starting the data science part. That is your matplotlib, whatever the required for, like plotting bar graph, plotting like others like box plot. Then you can say that violin plot, different plotting plots and graphs are there. Okay, like for that we are using matplotlib. So already I give you the command. So at least install matplotlib c1 and couplings. There is these three library. Okay, to your virtual environment. Uh, do
Wait,
not use
any
yeah. Do
specific
not use
database?
no database we required. Okay, only install this, and I prefer to use Jupyter because sometimes what happen, matplotlib is not supported this PyCharm. Okay, because this is completely graphs and chart. So sometimes you find some issue with PyCharm. Okay, so use Jupyter only regarding these three library particular. So
Then how
tomorrow
to
we'll start. Yeah, you
so this
just go. Mm-hmm.
along
Yeah.
this community server that we have downloaded right now, that does
Mm-hmm.
it have its own database already updated, or do we have to upload some data in
No,
that?
no, no, no. You see, you can see my screen. Na? You have default like Sakila, MySQL, this world. These are the default database
Okay.
already there. You can
Mm-hmm.
use that. No need to create. If you want to create, you can.
Okay.
Okay, but it has its own, like Sakila is a very like lot of tables.
Mm-hmm.
So how to use that database? So use.
I checked my connection. It shows error.
Okay, so tables one second. So you can see that these are the tables. So you can use that. Okay, yeah. What your connection say? Venkat and Vishnu, same problem. Okay, Tejasvi, share your screen. Okay, what it say?
Problem while
Access.
installing MySQL
Correct,
community.
correct, correct. You can see that this is the your access denied for user. Did you run this command? Go to your DB waiver. Close this. Close this. Sorry, DB workbench where you run this command. Workbench. Open workbench. Alter user root. Root is your username identified with MySQL native password. Run this command again. Run this command, Tejasvi. Did we get any output? Wait.
Is not running.
I think this command is not running. Can you click on this show databases?
Running. Show database. This will not.
Okay, now run this alter. Now you can go to this one. Otherwise, you can run this in command prompt. Okay, I think close this MySQL installer. Okay, we will see after this class. Okay, let me finish this one, like how to connect this database. So you can see that my connection is now done. Okay. So while working with database, okay, so you need to create cursor first. Cursor means one kind of temporary one, like it will a temporary memory which will store, which will run your query, which will store your particular whatever your query output or query result. So how to create cursor? Cursor equal to, so this is my connection dot cursor. Okay, so now write some query. Okay, suppose so we have a database like actor. Okay, so we can filter using, like we have okay. So here just writing select. You can give your column name, like we have actor ID and first name. One second. First name is small.
बोलो हाँ
Okay, so this is your query. Then how to query? Cursor
हाँ है
dot
तो आगे उठा
execute. Okay, then this query. Okay, let's try. First check this, it is running or not. Okay, need to license authentication issue. Whenever you are working with database, first check this query in your machine also, like it is working here or not. Okay, so it is also here giving error. The ID. Copy this command. Okay, so you can see that now query is mine. Query is run. Execute query. Then how to fetch this result? Okay, so you can store your result in like this. Suppose take one variable and cursor dot fetch all. Okay, fetch all means whatever this output, whatever will return against this query, it will fetch all record. Then you can print this.
What is this cursor then?
Yeah, cursor is the temporary. You can see that memory, like wherever you Yeah, variable like cursor. You are giving your particular to execute query. You are providing some kind of temporary memory or temporary area where your connection will work, like your run and store your output. Okay. So everyone can create. Or I think there are lot. Data will not internal error it will get. Everyone facing the same issue.
No, I'm through.
You are also facing the same issue, right?
No. I got the result.
Got the result. No, I think mine has some issue. So this is how means normally used to get the all record. So if you want to all record, then you are using fetch all. If you want single record, then fetch one. Okay, fetch one means it will only get you the single record. Okay, fetch all means you will got all record whatever the storage reject. Okay, Tejasvi and Venkat.
I have same error while using alter user command.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, and what about Vishnu?
First query, then I can use that cursor and all these things.
Okay. So whenever you want to run this particular query, every time you need to like this. First, you need to create a cursor. Then this cursor will execute query like cursor dot fetch all. It will store the all whatever your result is there, so cursor dot fetch. Okay, like if you want one, fetch one.
So can we means we have to create databases, or we can use already available databases?
Already selected available data set. You can.
While using command prompt, it shows error like plugin error.
Plugin error, na? Okay. We'll see. One second. Okay, now we can see that I got my result. Okay, like 1 Panel, 2 Nick, 3 is Jennifer. Got it, everyone? Okay. Everyone clear how this database connection is working? Yeah, Venkat, Vishnu. Hello. Yeah, Venkat, Vishnu.
Hello, I'm trying.
Trying, na? Okay. Aditya, you got the particular query output, right? Yeah. So this is the way. Like you can also, based on this query, it will fetch your result. Okay. So for different database, so you are using the same thing. Like your PostgreSQL also the same. Only this will change. Everything is same. Like in Postgres also, you need to create a cursor. If you are using Oracle also, you need to create a cursor. Okay, so this part is particular common for every database connection. Only this will change, your library will change. Okay. Okay then before end for the class, so Tejasvi, you share your screen, we see what your issue.
Now I am using Jupyter. Is it the right way I have to use?
Yes, but this is your okay, run this.
And one second, this is my square error, plugin error.
Password is not loaded. Again, run this. Alter user. Keep this identified with na in capital.
Same error. Can you check my installation where I have to install MySQL community
No,
8.0?
installation is fine. Alter user. Okay. Give me your access. Give me access. I got the error. Okay. Give me your this one. 1 second. Can you allow me
I
keyboard
can't
access?
say
Okay, okay. Leave it. Leave it.
with
I have
command.
control. Yeah. I have control. Leave it. I have control. Leave your cursor. Leave your cursor. 1 second.
Look, it's working in Jupyter, but not in PyCharm.
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Now you can do this. Okay. Okay, Aditya. Show your PyCharm.
Can you check?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. You can try that command.
They're the same commands that I've used over here and over here.
Done that. Go to your PyCharm. Okay. Not supported is not. Authentication cache support is not supported. So this is you need to run in your MySQL.
Over here.
Yes, you already run, right?
Yeah, I've already run. Here it's giving me error, actually.
Okay,
See.
okay, show me. Show me. SQL change. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Okay. Alter user at the docker show identified with MySQL underscore native password. Native identified with to find alter user is fine. Alter user root at the rate localhost ID in TIFID with MySQL underscore native underscore password by root. Why it is giving you error? Okay, can you give one semicolon at the end of the word? Colon, whatever the end of the now we can run. I think this is also your red alter ALTER, right? Or what you write? Can you click undo? Alter is not valid. What give the cursor? What is say? Alter is not valid at this
Not valid at
position.
this position.
Okay. So database is na above your code, put one semicolon. Yeah, now you can run. No, run this alter. Okay, it is running now. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Tejas, share your screen. What's your okay? Yeah. MySQL dot connector host equal to local host. Okay. You write 2 time host. Just paste this. Copy paste this. I'll ping you in chat. Yeah. Connection equal to you missed that MySQL dot. Give me your access. Wait. Leave your cursor.
There is any need to connect with that databases? Means
Wait.
whatever you did steps with my charm,
Leave your.
PyCharm.
Wait. Leave your same step. Leave your cursor. Another guy, Vishnu and Susank. What about you guys?
Hi, Alok.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, Susank. You also get the same error?
No, I have some issue with installations. So I'm just issuing this one. So tomorrow morning I'll come up. I'll show you the
Sure.
details.
Sure. Vishnu, what about you? I think
I'm getting
Tejasvi
some
got.
connectivity error.
Okay, so you can share your screen. Let's see. Uh,
Yeah.
okay, go up. Name error. Okay, go up. Connection equal to MySQL. Here also name is not defined. Go up. Go up. Where you define your connection. Okay, first you need to import this, install this particular. Okay, so while using this connection partner, so I always
Mhm.
prefer that you are using this your local. Jupyter Notebook, not this cloud one. Google Notebook might be you get some issue. Okay, because this is the cloud. This is running on cloud. Okay. So it will point it to cloud only.
Okay, better to use Jupyter, you're saying.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so I think it is uninstalled in my system. I will install it and I will get.
Okay, okay, okay. If any problem, we'll see tomorrow then. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Last one, Tejashvi. Show me your screen. Okay. Go down. Okay. Wait. Give it. Okay. So your connection is ready. Okay. So now how to create cursor? First, create a cursor. Okay. So whatever your query, you can write here your SQL query. Okay. Then cursor dot execute. Okay. Then suppose if whatever the result, it will be any name you can give, not only result. You can give any name. This is one variable.
I can try now. It's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then fetch all. Then using the for loop. Okay. 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 Then see you tomorrow then, and tomorrow we'll start this one matplotlib. Okay.
So tomorrow we have the class, right? It's
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Yeah. We have.
But
Yeah.
before
Yeah.
that,
Yeah. Yeah.
but before
Yeah. We have
that, we
class.
have to install, no?
Okay. Okay.
Cburn,
So
link.
yeah.
There is
Yeah.
any
So
link?
you not link. Wait. Just type here. Okay, and run. It will be installed. Okay. So same for Cbone also. Okay, you can see that it is installed. It is simple command. And if you want to install Cbone also, same thing.
What are the use of Cburn or
Yeah, it is the
link?
for coupling and Cbone used for the plotting base, like drawing chart, different chart. We have like you can see that scatter plot, box plot, violin plot, then kernel density estimation graph, lot of graphs and charts are there.
Every time we have to install that library while
No.
using.
Installation is one time. You need to import it like this. Once you install, then you can use using import. So at least you can do like matplotlib and seaborn is already there. Okay, so like this, restart your. Okay, then see you tomorrow then.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.